Welcome to Admission Hub YouTube video. Today we will introduce you to top 4 affordable colleges that eligible for postgraduate work permit in Quebec, Canada. Before we start, let's go over the meaning of postgraduate work permit. This will replace your study permit and allow you to legally stay in Canada to work. If you completed a bachelor's, master's, or PhD program, the permit will generally be valid for 3 years. For all other diploma programs, the validity period will be equal to the length of your studies. To be eligible, you must have fulfilled all the conditions of your study program, including language requirements, internships, dissertation defense, and final submission. Once you graduate, you have 90 days to apply for the post-graduation work permit. Now, which colleges in Quebec allow you to get a postgraduate work permit after your study term? Greystone College is a private college in Montreal which provides vocational premier quality career and training in a stimulating, cross-cultural environment. Greystone College is the place to go for hands-on skills in your chosen field, with co-op, practicum, or internship options depending on the program and location of choice. You'll receive support to find real-life work experience to help you increase your expertise and further your education. With co-op, you'll add real-world job experience to your resume, get experience searching and applying for jobs, practice your interview skills with real employers and build references and contacts in your industry. Plus, if you have any questions, the co-op team is there to help you refine your job finding process and set you up for success. Canada College is founded on the principles of academic excellence, professional support and student success. It supports its students in their process of development and integration into Quebec and Canadian society. The college also has the objective of creating a healthy, safe and cooperative environment for international students. With 5,000 students every year, Canada College is one of the lowest fees in the whole Quebec region. Established in 1976, Canada College offers AEC diplomas through 3 programs. Early Childhood Education, Database Administration, Business Administration and Commerce. All 3 programs are of 2 years and students can get work permits up to 3 years after completion of their respective programs. Montreal College of Information Technology. The Montreal College of Information Technology is an institute of higher learning focused on delivering intensive, job-ready IT programs. Since MOOC's foundation in 2006, more than 5,000 of our graduates have found gainful employment at MOOC. You will engage in hands-on, project-based learning activities designed by our field-experienced instructors. Whatever your chosen program of study, you will actively develop the technical skills that leading employers demand. With a range of 6 months, you will be ready to get your postgraduate work permit and join the workforce in Canada. Follow Canada Admission Hub for more information. We will help you to enroll in a postgraduate work permit program in Quebec, Canada.